buffalo up there. Oh, we can do better than that. Yes. Keep them coming. Drop that major for me. Come on, you know you want to. All right. Last chance. All right. Do like that arrow effect. I think it's cool. Put 20 in. How about that? 75 bucks. I put 20 in. Beautiful. $80 left. I'll do a backup. One more backup. Go to 75. And that's the last one. All right.